fancy-rich Dwanky party right before the auction starts, yeah? You're going in after... Surveillance shows metal detectors all around the entrance. So you've got to find a way past them. If you cut power to the nearby electric box, those detectors should go down. The metal detectors should be down now. You got metal security doors blocking the storage room. I can unlock them remotely if you hack their control boxes. You're looking for 2 points of access.
監視カメラや。
There's probably rats in the walls. Nicely done. Now get to the other one. Right, now let me get this sorted. We'll be done in a jiffy.
警備員がおるな。警備員。警備員。
Cool it, Flynn. No shooting civvies. There. Now go ahead. The doors are open. Oh, they got some nasty security in place, but they didn't count on old lock, yeah? Put a blocker on that keypad to stop the code from cycling. The code is likely in the auctioneer's office, but you've got to get in there first. The auctioneer probably has a keycard to open the door.
通行人を騒がせるな。
Find the main breaker and cut the electricity. That should prompt him to come and have a look, so you can get him. You'll be needing that torch later, for sure.
おるで、警備員。カメラや。警備員。
Okay, now get the keycard from the auctioneer, quietly.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is no need for alarm. All part of the festivities in this lovely old building. The power will be back on before you can say...
おるで、警備員。警備員。警備員や、下がっとれ。
Still got to get your hands on the card. Oh, come on, man. No more dead civvies.
キーカードがあった。
Time to get into that office. Stay low.
カメラに注意せえ。
You need to hack the auctioneer's computer for the code, yeah?
おるで、警備員。
You should be able to see the code. Get it, and go open the vault.
注意せえ、警備員や。カメラや。
Take care to enter the correct code. Great. Now get into the vault. Now would be a good time to break out that torch you found before, friends.
よっしゃ。任せ。完了。
Ah, that's what we came for. Nice and shiny. Send it out on a zipline, yeah?
警備員。
If there's nothing left you want to take,
Kitsuke.
hurry and get back to the car.
「ネズミより静かに」
Beautiful work, friends. You made less noise than my cat on that one. Now let's see what we can do with that artifact, yeah? Duke will get to looking at it as soon as you get back to the...